Now here is the book exercise of the chapter the elves and the shoemaker. First question is tick the correct answer. The shoemaker was an honest man. Second, the elves entered the house through the chimney. Third, the elves worked hard and happily. Fourth, the shoemaker's wife was kind. Now here, look at this picture of Bo, his brother and his friend standing in a row. Beginning from the left, count and give each elf a number in the order he is positioned. आपको position बतानी है. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. They are total 8 elves. So you have to write the numbers over here. Then based on the picture, complete the sentences to tell the position of the elves. The elf wearing green trouser is 8th in the row. Then the elf wearing glasses is 4th in the row. Then the third, the elf wearing a hat with a bell is 1st. Next, the elf laughing loudly is 8th. The elf wearing the blue shoes is 1st. The elf looking angry is 2nd and the elf standing on one leg is 3rd. Then in this question, you have to tell which of the crayon is being broken. So the crayon number 5th is broken. Then say it right. B question, listen to and read these words aloud and pick the words with the same sound from exercise A. So in exercise A, all the words have the same vowel pair. You, count, course, though, should and trouble. There is same vowel pair means OU in all these words. Then second, all the letters in color have the same sound. No. All the letters that are colored in pink, they have different sound. Now in this B exercise, pick the words with the same sound from exercise A and write them in the blanks given below. Pour, for pour the same sound word is course. Second, soup, it's you. Third, dove, it's though. Fourth, cousin, it's trouble. Fifth, wood, for it the same sound word is should. Then sixth, trouser, for it the same sound word is count. Then help D circle the correct words to match the meanings. You have to match the meanings with the words. The thing used to stop a moving vehicle, it's brake. Second, people often eat this with milk for breakfast. Its answer is cereal. Third, something sweet served at the end of a meal. Its answer is dessert. Fourth, the price paid to ride a bus, a train, a taxi or an aeroplane. Its answer is fare, F-A-R-E. Then fifth, the opposite of tight is loose. Sixth, things that you need for writing, stationery. Then seventh, a part of a whole, its answer is piece. Eighth, the head of your school is principal. This A question you have to fill with correct conjunction. Boris wanted to make the shoes, but he was too tired to work. Second, he cut the ladder, but he could not stitch it up. Third, he could sit and work or go to sleep. He went to sleep. Fourth, the elves wanted to help the shoemaker because he was a good man. Fifth, Boris and Eva were surprised to see the pair of shoes. Sixth, Boris used the money to buy some food and a piece of leather. Seventh, Eva wanted to reward the elves because they had helped her husband to earn money. Eighth, the elves were happy with the new clothes and shoes. In the B question, Bo wrote this note to his cousin. In some places, he got confused and wrote two conjunctions. You have to take the correct conjunction. Today, I will tell you about a shoemaker and his wife Eva. They could not buy many things for themselves because they were poor. We helped them last week because they were very kind and loving people. Now they have more money and they can live a comfortable life. Eva stitched new clothes and her husband made new pair of shoes for us. We would like to help them but not this week. We can have fun or we can work, and this week we want to have fun. Love, bow. Now, in this exercise, you have to match column A with column B. Violet, it is flower. Second, indigo, midnight sky. Third, blue, sea. Fourth, green, field. Fifth, yellow, sun. Sixth, orange juice. Seventh, red rose. Then in the life skill, you have to take the action you think are right. You can also add your own ideas. Whichever you think is correct, you have to tick over that. Being ready to help, keeping our things neatly, speaking politely, listening to parents, and spending time with your grandparents. These all actions are very good actions. They are right. So we will put a tick mark over them.